Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put video on Behance to autoplay. So first is first, you have to go to this Vimeo. We're going to use this tool right here. All you have to do is to create an account using your Google account and upload or import the video that you want to play as loop on your Behance. So let's just say this is the video. What you're going to do here is you have to click and you have to tap on this appearance section or button right here. So once you tap appearance, and then you see a two option, or you will see two option, which is embed. So you have to tap on embed right here and then scroll down till you see the auto option or auto button. You have to click this. You can also change some settings here, toggle on, toggle off, but you just have to make sure that you tap on this auto that is for the video. So once you tap auto here, what you're going to do next is you have to click the share button above. You have to click this and you have to look for the copy embed. So you have to review everything. Now, if you go to video page, nothing is here. So you just have to focus on the embed code. So tap on embed code, make sure that you have tap on auto here, click the share, copy embed, go back to your Behance, and then go to share your work. You should see the embed option right here. Tap this one, paste the link. So the appearance should be like this, and then tap on embed. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the video right away here. And basically that's it. It will just play here on your Behance. So since you tap the autoplay or auto, it will just autoplay here on your Behance. So that's how easy it is to put video on Behance to autoplay. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.